Hi everybody, let's make Uttapam today. This is a homemade dosa batter. I'll show you how to make dosa batter in my next video. This is ghee, onions finely chopped, green chilies chopped, coriander leaves chopped, and I have de-seeded the tomatoes and chopped them. Let's make. Put some oil in the pan, sizzle it with water, put some batter. Don't spread it completely, but a little bit. Let it be thick. Yeah. Add onions, tomatoes, green chilies, coriander leaves, and add ghee to it. Now cover the pan with the lid and let it cook on slow flame. Remove the lid. Yes, it's done. Serve the uttapam with your choice of chutney. I have made peanut chutney. Hope you try to make this and please let me know in the comments how it was. Thanks for watching.